is the biggest festival in Britain. December the 24th is Christmas Eve.
December the 25th is Christmas Day, and December the 26th is called Boxing Day.
In many homes there is a Christmas tree with a lot of decorations. For example, you can have a tree with angels, candles, bells, or crackers. People give presents to their family and friends. They open the presents of Christmas Day. Wow! Father Christmas brings a present. He has a long white beard.
Father Christmas wears a red suit and he is very fun. Ho ho ho!
He rides on a sleigh. Reindeers pull his sleigh.
The most famous reindeer is Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would never say it close.
People give cards to their family and friends, and this is our way